May kasabihan na kung gusto mong maging maganda ang iyong araw, magsimula kang maganda sa umaga. Ngumiti ka, kumanta ka. At sabi nila, ang iyong maghapon ay magiging maganda. Pero, alam natin ang kasabihang yun ay hindi totoo. Bakit? May mga taong nagplano kahapon para sa araw na ito, pero hindi na sila nagising kaninang umaga. At may mga taong nagplano kaninang umaga kung anong gagawin nila mamayang gabi, pero hindi na sila aabot. Baka ikaw yon. Mga minamahal na mga kapatid, we often forget that we are not in control. The time to be born is not ours, and the time to die is not ours. To be born immaculately is by the grace of God. It was not the choice of Our Lady. It was not her choice. It was a gift from God. But even though she was immaculately conceived, she remained humble. And her humility led her to obedience. And her obedience made her pleasing to God. And because of that, Our Lady was exalted in the heavens. As I have said, you have no power in the way you will be born, and you have no power in the way you will die. But what we will do in between is ours, regardless how it will end, because everything will end. The first reading reminds us of what? Regardless how powerful you are, regardless how many kings you have, at the end you will die. And you will stand before the judgment of God. What is the gospel trying to tell us? We can interpret the things that are happening in our lives. But how come we have failed to look into ourselves and ask ourselves, what is God trying to tell me? Kaya nating sabihin, ay uulan. Kaya nating sabihin, ay iinit. Kaya nating sabihin, ay namumukadkad na mga bulaklak. Alam natin. Pero hindi natin kayang tingnan ang ating mga sarili kung nasaan na tayo sa harapan ng Diyos. Alam natin, kung ikaw ay 40 years old and below, you are in the sunrise of your life. But if you are 41 and above, you are already in the sunset of your life. Yung 40 and below, patayo ka pa lang. Mula sa kama, patayo. Pero pag ikaw ay 41 pababa, pataas, pahiga ka na. Pabalik ka na uli sa kama. Kahit gaano ka kagaling noon, kahit gaano ka katalino, darating ang araw, hihiga at babalik tayo sa ating pinanggalingan. Wisdom begin by realizing that our days are numbered. As the psalm says, life is only 70, 80 for those who are strong. If you are humble enough to look at this, if this is the point, the corner of the ambo as you begin, and this is where you end, you measure, and you ask yourself, nasaan ka na dito kapatid? Nandito ka pa lang ba sa kalahati? O nandito ka na sa malapit ng patapos? Pag ikaw ay 70 na, malapit ka ng mahulog. Ano pang inaasahan mo? Alam po ninyo, kahit malabo ang mata ko, kita ko mga mukha ninyo dito. Yung iba sa inyo, malapit na. Ano pang binabalak? Kaya nga, di ba? Pagka minsan nakakalimot tayo. My dear friends, you know that Advent prepares us for Christmas. Are you humble enough to ask yourselves, how many more Christmases you have? How many more New Years you will have? But perhaps you ask yourself, what have I done to the life that God has given me? Again, my dear friends, my brothers and sisters, being immaculately conceived doesn't mean Our Lady was deprived of the freedom to make a choice. She remained humble. And she pointed her finger to Christ, telling everyone, do whatever He tells you. Do whatever He tells you. Amen.